How long has it been since you saw a real improvement in the robot's cleaning capabilities? Check this out. It tackles this egg spilled on the floor in one go. It can also remove this stick, completing the cleaning task independently. That's the Xlean TR1. It effectively solves the problem of a robot struggling with unexpected cleaning situations. The robot vacuum market has reached a development bottleneck, hence this year's CES even featured robots with arms and legs. But what about the Xlean TR1? It tackles everyday pain points. Let's dissect its dual-form design and intelligent learning capabilities to see how they make cleaning effortless. The Xlean TR1 floor cleaning robot features an all-plastic construction with a sleek black finish. Its form seamlessly blends minimalist industrial aesthetics with practicality, while the dual-form structure transitions smoothly. The ergonomic curved handle offers comfortable grip and fluid lines. The robot's uncommon square shape allows it to hug corners and furniture edges more effectively. Compared to round robots, it significantly reduces dust and stain buildup in the corners, boasting whole house cleaning coverage. This shape also aligns perfectly with its Robot Plus handheld dual-form switching logic, ensuring more secure module connections. Traditional floor cleaning robots have this major limitation: they can't handle sudden messes. You use the robot for daily cleaning, but when something spills, you're back to manual cleaning. The Xlean TR1 switches between robot and handheld mode, bridging this gap perfectly. Let me break down the numbers for you. Most households use this robot for general cleaning 1 to 3 times per week, but they deal with the emergency spills 5 to 8 times daily. That means traditional robots only handle about 20% of your actual cleaning needs. The other 80%, you are still doing it manually. Now, switching mode on this machine is very simple. You just take this stick out and then the machine will come out. When the machine is out, you just use the stick and put it on the machine like this. Now, we tested this by spilling coffee on the floor. From picking up the robot, switching to handheld mode to clean up the mess, the whole process felt natural. Xlean TR1 features 2 rollers, eliminating the vacuum and roller brush concept found in traditional robots. It directly sucks liquid and solid mixtures into the waste tank through gaps in the rollers, rather than relying on roller brushes to pick up debris. In our test, the rollers stayed remarkably clean throughout. We used the soy sauce as our test, notoriously difficult to clean. Traditional robots left a faint soy sauce stain on the floor, and their rollers were completely soaked in sauce. For mixed messes like a cereal with milk, and the solid liquid separation system really shines. Solid particles like a cereal got filtered into the separate waste compartments. When you empty the dirty water, you don't have to worry about clogging your drain. Just pull out the waste compartment, dump it, done. No mess, no fuss. Traditional robots follow fixed cleaning programs. Same route, same intensity every single time. The Xlean TR1's real-time AI adaptive cleaning system, combined with autonomous driving level chips and multiple sensors, achieves true on-demand cleaning. During the cleaning process, the robot first identifies the type of stain using its visual sensors, then estimates the level of dirtiness with the help of an RGB camera and its proprietary laser sensor. For light dirt like dust, it uses a quick mop mode. Lower roller speed reduces suction, covering large areas rapidly. For tough stains like oil or soy sauce, it switches to deep cleaning mode. Maximum suction, higher roller speed, and extended cleaning time to ensure no residue remains. The Xlean TR1's Omni base station uses solid liquid separation plus automatic drying to reduce maintenance to just once per week. You only need to empty the dry waste bin compartment, everything else is automated. The base station's full path 75 degrees Celsius hot water flush is a standout feature. When the robot returns to base, hot water flows through the robot's chassis, roller, suction pipes, all the way into the base station itself. It mimics the hand wash and rinse process, thoroughly cleaning hidden dirt in the pipes. Many floor cleaning robots require pre-installed water inlets and drainage connections for automatic water management. If you're in an old building or renting, you're stuck with the manual water handling, and switching between modes often requires changing components. What a pain. The Xlean TR1's Omni base station supports mode switching without hardware changes. whether you want to connect to plumbing or fully automatic operation or use tank mode with a manual refilling, you just change the setting in the app. No disassembly required, works perfectly even in older buildings. In our test, the Xlean TR1 performed nearly flawlessly. It handles emergency cleaning needs beautifully, requires minimal maintenance, and even integrates with a Siri for smart home setups. But it's not perfect due to its cleaning mechanism. It can't effectively clean carpets. When it detects carpet, it simply avoids it. This is actually thoughtful design, prevents wetting your carpets. But for our studio with a large carpeted area, we still need additional equipment. Here's some good news though, the team is already working on a carpet cleaning technology. Future xLean models will likely address this limitation. For now, in 99% of the floor cleaning scenarios, the Xlean TR1 delivers solutions that exceed expectations. So there you have it, the Xlean TR1 really does redefine floor cleaning robots. The dual mode design solves the emergency cleaning problem, self-evolving intelligence enables truly personalized cleaning, and the Omni-based station dramatically reduces maintenance needs. If you're in the market for a floor cleaning robot, this one definitely deserves your attention. That's all for today's review. See you next time.